Welcome to Growth Boost Daily. Are you ready to unlock your potential and improve your life through the power of knowledge? In today's video, we'll explore the best-selling book Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book reveals practical strategies for building good habits, breaking bad ones, and mastering tiny behaviors that lead to remarkable results. Stick around for actionable tips and insights that can transform your habits, routines, and ultimately, your life. In Atomic Habits, James Clear provides a revolutionary framework for understanding habits, why they form, how they work, and most importantly, how you can change them. The book highlights the fact that small, seemingly insignificant changes can compound over time, leading to dramatic outcomes. If you've ever struggled to stick to new habits or break old ones, the problem isn't your lack of willpower, it's your system for change. One of the key insights from the book is that habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. Just like money compounds over time, small habits, whether good or bad, compound to shape your identity and success. If you can improve by just 1% each day, those tiny gains add up to significant changes over time. Clear explains that every habit follows a four-step pattern: cue, craving, response, and reward. By understanding this habit loop, you can disrupt bad habits and make good habits easier to stick to. For example, if you want to start exercising, make the cue obvious by laying out your workout clothes the night before, and make the reward something satisfying, like feeling more energized afterward. Clear also argues that your environment plays a huge role in habit formation. If you want to change your habits, you need to design your environment to support them. Make cues for good habits obvious and frictionless, and increase the friction for bad habits. For example, if you're trying to eat healthier, make fruits and vegetables easily accessible and hide junk food in hard-to-reach places. Do these concepts resonate with you? Have you noticed how small habits or your environment affect your behavior? Share your experiences in the comments below. Now that we've explored some of the key insights from Atomic Habits, let's dive into actionable tips that you can start using today to build better habits and break bad ones. 1. Focus on identity-based habits. Clear emphasizes the power of identity-based habits. Instead of setting a goal to run a marathon, focus on becoming a runner. When you start identifying with the type of person you want to become, it's easier to adopt habits that align with that identity. 2. Make habits obvious, attractive, and easy. For good habits to stick, you need to make them easy to start. Use Clear's 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. If your goal is to read more, leave books out in visible places and start with just 1 page a day. 3. Stack new habits onto existing ones. One of the easiest ways to build new habits is through habit stacking. Attach a new habit to an existing habit. For example, if you already have a morning coffee, stack your new habit of journaling right after that. This creates a seamless flow from one habit to another. 4. Use the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule is a game changer for consistency. It states that when you start a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to complete. This makes it so easy that you can't say no. For example, if your goal is to start meditating, start with just 2 minutes a day. Which of these tips do you find most helpful? Have you tried stacking habits or using the 2-minute rule in your daily life? Share your experiences in the comments below. In summary, Atomic Habits teaches us that small, consistent changes lead to massive results over time. By understanding the habit loop, designing your environment, and using Clear's practical strategies like habit stacking and the 2-minute rule, you can make good habits inevitable and bad habits impossible. The key takeaway? Don't aim for massive change all at once. Focus on tiny, atomic habits that compound into life-changing transformations. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Growth Boost Daily for more life-changing insights. And don't forget to ring the bell to get notified when we release new content. See you in the next video.